Good morning, everybody. In 2 weeks, Charles Holt will be here, and I'm so excited. So I've been requested to share you why I'm excited. During homecoming weekend, we had the opportunity to tour the New Thought archives. And when I was in the archive, there was a book. It was the workbook for this book, and it was sitting there amongst hundreds of books. And it called to me, and so I picked it up and I started reading it. And that day I ordered this book. And I started reading it, and it was touched me so profoundly that I hunted him down. You miss out on 100% of the opportunities you do not take, and Facebook Messenger is off for him, but LinkedIn was on. So I reached out to him and I said, I think your book is amazing. I think it's needed right now. And I asked him to come, and he immediately said yes. So, and then Mark and Erin got together and arranged that with him. He is no stranger to unities. He is a Broadway actor, a musician, an author, an activist. And I want to just do a little bit, just a couple of sentences from his book about what it is about. Children seek to just be like they are, or they seek to be just like what they see. This book is about him healing his relationship with his father, who was present his whole life, before, during, and even after his battle with cancer. It says, the pain and disappointment of expectation held me prisoner for many years of my life. We are going to walk through the process of forgiving those who hurt or neglected or abandoned us. With everything happening in the world today, it's time. It's time to put that down. It's time to put the past down and heal what we can and move forward. That's the way we're going to be able to unite as healed people and affect the world. And I encourage you to share this with everybody, because I want this place packed for him. His message is important. Chris Jackson gave a speech right after I had confirmed him about toxic masculinity, and I went to the deep dive after that. And there were men in there that were crying about their relationships with their fathers and how it impacted them. So I encourage you, share it, be here 2 weeks, and let's start healing those wounds, those deep-seated wounds. Thank you, everybody.